Powers are really also known as exponents. And they look a little like this. 3 to the 4th power. This number right here is what we call the base number. And this 4 up there is the exponent or the power. And please get it in your head, and I can tell you as a matter of certainty, I will tell you this tomorrow, and on tomorrow's quiz with one of these on here, at least 3 of you, at the very least 3 of you are going to do this. This is not 3 times 4. The answer to this is not 12. When you have a base to an exponent, the answer to that is what you get when you multiply the exponent number of bases together. And that doesn't make a lot of sense until I show you the example here. 3 to the 4th power is what you get when you have 4 3's times themselves. This is the exponent. There's 4 of them, all getting multiplied together, and the answer to that is 81. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. Okay. Please don't tomorrow tell me the answer to that is 12. Same thing with this. 2 to the 5th power is not 10. Okay, it's not 10. 2 times 5 is 10. This is 2 to the 5th power, which means you have 5 2's times themselves. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. 2 to the 5th power is 32. If I wanted 2 times 5, I would have just wrote 2 times 5. Now there are some special cases with these here. Please get this down because this is easy, but people miss this too. If I have 6 to the 0 power, 6 to the 0 power, Josh, is?
0.
It is not 0.
6.
It is not 6. So far so close though. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Take my word for it. Later on we'll discuss why that is, but I'm not going to take the amount of time that it would take to do that. So it doesn't matter. You could have a letter. I could have x to the 0 power. That is 1. X to the 0 power plus b to the 0 power would give me 2. 1 plus 1. I don't know why it's doing that. So there's special case number 1, anything to the 0 power. Now, anything to the 1st power. 5 to the 1st power. Who's taking a shot at that? You got some good guesses there. Am I going to check? Is 5, yes. Anything to the 1st power is itself. Anything to the 1st power is itself. Okay? Anything to the 1st power is itself. As a matter of fact, everything has an exponent of 1, we don't ever put them down. Okay? X is the same thing as x to the 1st power. 12 is the same thing as 12 to the 1st power. Just means you have 112. You're not multiplying it by anything, you just have 112. Everybody's good with that? Perfect. I suppose we should probably cover this too. And don't forget that, if you have something like this, y times y times y times y times x times x, okay, we can combine those and simplify them, and it would be what? X times x is x squared, x to the second power. Y times y times y times y times y, that is y to the fourth power. This is the same thing as that.